Hi, I'm going to walk you through our new KML Google Maps compressor. The reason we needed this tool was because we were coming across KML files that were too large and complex for Google Maps to read in. So we went about creating this new tool. We found this Douglas-Peucker algorithm, which will reduce the number of vectors in your KML file. And it has a threshold or a tolerance that you can adjust to either have fewer polygons or more polygons. So let me go ahead and load up an example here. So first one I'll do is this test file that I created. It's a small file, about 295 KB, and if I load this up, let me go ahead and re-upload. Alright, so what we're doing here is in a background worker thread using the Web Workers API, we're running through the Peucker algorithm, and as the algorithm progresses, it was plotting the resulting polygons onto the Google map. And then over here on the right side, we show a graph which says, okay, for each of the polygons, the number of polylines or coordinates within that coordinate has been reduced from this first one, 985, to 188. And the neat thing is you can kind of see here that even though we reduced the polygon count, it's still got pretty good resolution. So now let's go ahead and zoom out, and I'll run it a couple more times here. So I had a tolerance of 0.1. Let's go ahead and make the tolerance more like 0.1. Upload the same file again, and you should see a lower resolution image now. So the cool thing about all this is it's all open source, it's all JavaScript, and it's freely available. It's here on GitHub. And there it is. So there's the source code. It's a little Sinatra application, mostly JavaScript though. Here's the algorithm written out in JavaScript. We originally started with this source code here, which was written in PHP, and we just translated that into JavaScript. So the meat of the algorithm, of course, is the Peucker function. So that's that. Check it out. If you have a need for KML and you want to optimize your KML files, try out our tool at kmlc.captico.com.